Man, it's still coming down. I had to push my door open at home to get out the door. Still coming down. Probably it's about over a foot here. I had to push my door open to get out. Yep. I had to push the door open. Yikes! Stepping in the snow. Oh boy. That's way up to almost up to my knees. Ooh, it's pretty though, but anybody ain't going anywhere soon. It's about 11 o'clock this morning, and Billy's up at the airport plowing snow. He says he can't see anything, but he's plowing snow. All the flights are done. Ooh boy, time to get back in. Ooh boy. Trying to make some footprints out here, but it didn't work. Okay, bye. Be safe, everyone.